Yeah, hello, good day everyone. So, welcome to this uh, vlog. So, today I'll be um, discussing on how to land a job as a newly graduate of any computer relating course. So, for example, you wanted to have a job as a software engineer. So, yeah, let's go ahead and discuss that one. So for starters, we need to build a resume that is uh well diverse, wherein the HR systems. So it's basically there is a system for HR that they used, or tools that they use, that they were able to filter out your resume, and um that is plus points whenever your resume is readable in their system, because they will be able to filter out much easier. Yeah, so what you can do is you can go here in LinkedIn. So basically, uh, this is number one site wherein you can build a resume. So what you have to do is create a profile, basically create an account. So I advise that you link it with your Gmail, or use your Gmail as uh, a signing on this, or creating this account. Yeah, so build your profile. So as much as possible, be very detailed with your work experience, if any relevant experience, and then your education, and then good thing also if you have licenses or certifications. So for example, for me, I have this three, actually two um, certifications. This one is just a certificate of completion on an online course that I have taken. So these two, basically this is two different programming languages. In I was able to uh, get some certification on free sites. Basically, this site Test Dome, they offer a lot of free certifications if you're able to pass their test. So if you're able to reach their top 10, so you'll be able to have this digital certification on a specific language. So for example, for me, I have these two, the Go and the Node.js. So for starters, if you wanted to land a job as a software engineer, I advise you to have uh, Java as your main um, programming languages, because Java is the um, shall I say, the most traditional programming languages uh, used in the corporate market. So yeah, that's a good thing that you will have a strong foundation with Java, and you can as yeah can ha- you can have other programming languages in parallel, but I advise you to much focused with Java programming. So but if you have um, experience with other programming languages, then yeah, go ahead and just focus with that programming languages. But if you're someone that doesn't have any main stock yet, so yeah, I advise you to have Java programming language. So why does it I advise the Java programming languages? Actually, Java has a um, shall I say, legitimate certification wherein you need to pay, actually, and this is, I think, renewed every I don't know yet the duration. uh, uh, yeah, but this has an expiration wherein you need to renew every 3 years or every 2 years. So actually, I don't have any of this yet. So yeah, good thing that you will have this certification. Um, this will ramp up your career as a software engineer, since you will be guaranteed that um you will land a job since you have this certification. And this is from the Oracle we're in. um, Java is built by Oracle. Yeah. So afterwards, you have completed all the necessary details here in the LinkedIn profile or account. You can um, go ahead here in your profile page and then go to this uh, button more, and you shall see this build resume. So here it will generate these the fields that you have filled in, actually those details. It will build a resume. So for me, it will look like this one. So this is readable with the HR system that I have said a while ago. So when they filter this one, this is readable on their system, and they will able to um, capture out those important details for you. Yeah. So yeah. Here afterwards, here in jobstreet.com, so you can also create a profile, but you will not able to to build a resume there. So you need to upload the resume. So that's why I recommend that you need to create an account on LinkedIn, and then and then build a resume, and then go with this site, and then create your account also, and then upload that resume. So in that way you can start searching jobs, and then yeah, apply jobs. So here in my search field, I have put it fresh grad software engineer. So um yeah, because here you can check for that one. So it depends upon your interest. So you can search here in this jobstreet.com. So yeah. Also, there's also a site, another site that I can recommend, which is this online jobs ph. So here, um, you can search for example, developer. Here also, you need to sign up and create an account, and then yeah, fill in the necessary fields, and then verify your account. So you need to um, post a valid ID, actually upload a valid ID, and they will verify it 1 to 3 days, so that your proof. So there is a proofing here, proofing system here in online jobs PH, wherein you will be able to submit application um, if you have reached that um, certain proof. So for example, we can check this job. So here you see that ID proof. So you need to verify your account so that your ID proof number will rise as much as possible. So for example, you're able to verify it, and then also your number, so it will rise up to 90 to 100. So that's a good ID proof. So yeah, Here, there's a lot of the uh, jobs that you can see. So, have junior developer. So, yeah, you can see there is one here, junior. Actually, in software engineer, we are divided into three, at least three categories as for the moment that I will be able to classify. So first is junior level, next is mid level, and then the senior level. So for starters, if you are a fresh graduate, then you belong to junior level. So as much as possible, if you search for jobs, you can uh, search for the keyword as junior developer, junior software engineer. So that's what you put on your job search. Yeah. So I think I that's all for this video. So here in my LinkedIn, you can add me. This one I have 204 connections. So one good thing about LinkedIn, because if you have a friend like for example me, if you were able to add me on LinkedIn, my connections will be able to see you. So actually once we connected, all of my 204 connections will be able to uh, notify that I have added you as my connection. So yeah, that also attracts some HR for you. So yeah, so don't hesitate to add me. So I'll be much responsive in terms of LinkedIn. So I will show you some of those messages. So you see, these are a lot of HRs that are uh, approaching me. So I can rest assured to you that LinkedIn is a legitimate job um, website. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. And like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.